misty surroundings, and her agility. She moved like the wind, her determination unwavering. Just as dawn began to break, Aiko delivered a swift strike, disarming Kuro and pushing him to the edge of the cliff. Kuro, realizing he had underestimated her, accepted his defeat. "You are indeed your grandfather's heir," he admitted, before vanishing into the mist below. With Kuro gone, Aiko returned to the village victorious. She had proven herself not only as a warrior, but as a guardian of her home. The villagers, once fearful and hesitant, gathered around her in admiration, recognizing her as their protector. As the sun rose over Mount Fuji, casting its warm glow on the village, Aiko stood silently, the katana by her side, feeling the spirit of her grandfather beside her. She understood the path of a warrior wasn't just about fighting, but about protecting the peace of those she loved. From that day on, Aiko lived under the shadow of her warrior ancestors, embodying their courage and honor, and watched the village thrive in the newfound peace she helped to create. Her journey was just beginning, but she knew she was ready for whatever lay ahead, always prepared to face the shadows with the light of her heart.